So I had to turn back because this big one didn't want to go back inside. So I said, fuck it. It's only once or twice in a year, maybe. We enjoyed the snow before earlier this year, but not like this. This is crazy. This is crazy. It's not cold though. It's windy, but it's not cold. That's what's great about it. I almost bust my ass on the street. Shit is fucking frozen. So these cars ain't supposed to be driving, according to the mayor of New York. I guess the debate is gonna be who's the worst, de Blasio or Mondami, whatever his fucking name is. That's gonna be who's gonna take the top prize of the worst mayor of New York. Y'all keep fucking voting Democrats, we ain't getting nowhere. That's a fact. Shown in every other state. Democrats don't know how to run shit. Except run the state to the ground. Huh? Right? Anyway, let's get back to snow and having a good day. Cause this is great. I love the snow, man. I'd rather have snow than freaking sand. I got the beach like 5 minutes from here walking, and the only thing I go to the beach is to walk with her and take her to the shore, because she loves the water too. But I barely go to the beach to sunbathe. Fuck. You're gonna drop me, Sophie. No, you can't go. That's not your building. Where you going? You got a long way. You brought me over here, now you gotta make it home. I ain't carrying your ass. Go, Sophie, you keep getting in front of me. All right, let's go. Keep walking. You wanted snow, right? You took me out. You didn't want to go back in. Go to the hospital. Oh boy. This is not your building. Now you want to go into your building, huh? You had a chance to go to the building, you don't want to go. Well, technically I did go in, but I didn't get off the lobby. She didn't want to go upstairs. It's insane. It's kind of cool. I mean, I kind of didn't want to go upstairs either. So my coffee's waiting upstairs, and my Black and Mild. That's what's waiting for me upstairs. After I walk my Sophie. Right, Sophie? You tired? Good, get tired. Coming back out later too. Cause I think it's gonna continue. Wow, come on. They said yesterday it was gonna snow. I didn't fucking believe it, because they always be fucking bullshitting. Trying to get you to go buy some shit from the store. But I wasn't expecting this shit. because they like to exaggerate. You sure didn't exaggerate now? It's gotta be Mandani's fault. I blame this on Mandani, or whatever his fucking name is. He brought this shit. First month, he fucking destroyed New York already. Shit, it's gonna be tough out here, Sophie. You wanna go on the street? Let's go on the street, cause it's gonna be fucking crazy. Look at this shit, bro. Are we in Greenland? We're in Greenland right now. Walking the streets of Greenland. And I wish. We're in Queens. Queens, New York. Wow, this is insane, bro. Oh, now you want to walk fast? Huh? We're going to cut through here. We're not going to the school. That's it, Sophie. Fucking snow hit my face. I should have worn my face mask. Oh, what's it called that? Not the face, not the fucking silly stupid pandemic face mask. Ooh. The one that just covers everything except your eyes. I forgot the name of that shit. It's a fucking weird name. Think the school's open? That shit was closed since last week. Think they're gonna open today? Hell no. No, that's it. We're going back home. Come on. That's it. Come back out later. I had enough. She wants to go to the school. I usually go, let her loose. But that shit's too crazy right now. Been up. Come on. Let's go. No, we're going this way. That's it. No, that's it, Sophie. Later, we go back out. Right now, I haven't had enough. Just want some coffee, to be honest. I could stay here. I could stay out all day. I don't mind. I'm not even cold. But I want some coffee. I want to smoke my Black and Mild and just chillax for a bit. This is great. I love this shit. So here's a little bird. Oh, birds are having fun over there. Look at this New York garbage. People don't know how to throw the garbage inside of fucking containers. Look at that shit. 2 big ass containers. They still throw that shit out. Fucking can't have nothing nice with these people. They doing fucking everything, bro. You know who I'm talking about. You know who I'm talking about. I ain't gonna say names or race. Like a dude with pajamas. How the fuck you gonna be walking around with pajamas? These motherfuckers don't have no fucking shame. Let's walk around. Let's go outside in pajamas. Cause I'm a cool motherfucker. Look at this fool. I'll be Dominican, brother. Send those pictures to fucking Dior. Let's go. Come on, that's enough. Let's go. Taking selfies in the snow. You know they're newcomers. That's what they call them, right? Newcomers? I don't want to use the other words, because motherfuckers are getting sensitive. They're not illegal. Alright, here we are again. Huh? Happy? Look, she's gonna lay down now. She don't wanna go back in. Sophie, we gotta go in, come on. Come on, let's go. Look, she's gonna lay down. You think she's not dumb? She don't want. She know we're going back in. She's like, nah, I'm good. Sophie, can we go out inside? I promise we'll come back out later. Huh? Sophie, let's go. Let's go back in. Let's go. Come on. I got treats. Let's go. You want treats? Let's go. We got treats. Come on. He's like, fuck no. He's like, you go eat my treats. Usually when I say treats, she goes crazy. See, dogs ain't stupid, man. Dogs are smarter than humans. And more loyal. For sure. 100%. Come on, let's go. Imagine dropping your phone, losing your phone here. Fuck. Nah, I just live here, bro. Yeah, thank you though. Good luck today, man. Good luck. Yeah. See? I mean, dude's trying to make some money, man. You can't get mad at that. Hope you make some money, man. We need more people like that. We need some hard workers in this state, bro. You got a whole bunch of lazy motherfuckers. We need more people like that. Hard working people. Sophie, where you going? Sophie, let's go. Okay, you ready to go? Come on, let's go. Ah, good girl. Let's go. She said, Sophie, we gotta go back in. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Sophie, can we go back in? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Sophie, come on. Good girl. Yes, that's my girl. I love you. Oh, good girl. It's nothing. It's only a leaf, Sophie. You're so dramatic. Come on. Come on, let's go. Oh, that's the only reason she got up. She saw something. Look at her. She fooled me. You fooled me, Sophie. I thought you was going in. We're so near. Look, we're so close to the entrance. It's unbelievable. Come on, let's go. Huh? Come on, Sophie. Come on. Look. Come on, let's go. Come on. Sophie. It's fucking windy. Let's go. Come on. Come. Let's go. Good girl. Good girl. Jeez. Watch it. Okay, be careful. Ooh. Let's go. Oh shit. Thank you.
You out there like this is life, man.
Yo, she didn't want to come in.
Yo, she was not your, she was like your son. It's like her life just transformed into, that's what she belonged at.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Look at her, she's laying down like.
Yeah, I'm not going. I'm pulling her. She's like, no.
She's like, oh, yeah, that's right. I'm not moving.
No.
And when you jump the set like that, say, yo, you love the snow, man.
Yeah.
This is his atmosphere.
It's in her DNA, bro.
That's a really in her DNA. It's like 100%.
Yep.
Any other day she come back inside.
Well, no problem. We'll come back out later, too. Come on, Sophie, let's go. Come on. Come here.